Yo, what's good? It's your boy TRENT, and I'm back one more again. This time I'm back with a brand new recipe. What we about to do today is try some fried king crabs. That's right, fried king crabs. And not only they're gonna be fried, but I'm gonna fry them in the air fryer. You know what I'm saying? It's the best thing out there. Air fryer is the best invention in the last 10 years. Not only that, hold on. Not only that, Doritos, baby. Not regular Doritos, but hey, y'all sleeping on this green bag, bro. And if y'all, before we get into this, I got my king crab legs. Watch this, subscribe to my channel, man. Subscribe right now, and I'm gonna show you how to do this. All right, let's do it. All right, first thing first, you wanna wash your crab legs. You know what I'm saying? Wash these junks. Be careful. You know what I'm saying? They got these spiky points on them. So, first thing you want to do is wash them out. That's first. Next, I don't know if you got some shears, but I got some scissors and some nutcrackers. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to open these junks up. So watch this. It's deshelling crabs, so you see I got most of the meat out. You know what I'm saying? So I'm on my last one. And that's just one step to go. I'll check back with y'all. Alright, once you got your meat, you want to season it a little bit. I'm putting some little Tony Sandra. You know black people, we put this shit on everything. Just sprinkle. Sprinkle a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And then, you never can go wrong with some lemon pepper on seafood, especially on seafood. I love it on seafood and wings. So, shake that up. You know what I'm saying? So I got my shit. See, right now, I got my eggs to dip the stuff in. I got my regular fish fry, because I'm going to fry that on the grease, as you can see. And then last but not least, I smashed up some Doritos and put them in there. So first of all, we're going to go to the air fryer. You dig? Alright. So what I'm going to do is dip some of that in there. Then dip it in here, coat it up real nice. You want to get it covered real good. And drop it in there at one. And do another one. Same thing. Eggs, put it in the batter. Make sure it's fully covered. Another long one. I got them in the, you know what I'm saying, the air fryer right now. I'm gonna take these little small pieces and I'm chuck them in here. You know what I'm saying? Take them out the batter. Dip them in. Some of that. You know what I'm saying? Cover them up real good. And then I'm gonna dip them in the Cheetos. I said Cheetos, Doritos. frying. These the ones came out a little earlier. They ugly, but shit, you about how it tastes. They did. So far, these the ones in the air fryer. I'm about to flip them. Alright, so I finished, man. I got my fried lobster. Fried king crab, snow crab, whatever y'all want to call it. I'm about to do the taste test. I did put a little dressing on. I can see. Put a little sauce. Marinade. Good. Anywho, man, y'all subscribe to my channel. You did. Tell me what y'all think about the recipe. And tell me what else y'all should try cooking. I holla.